Hi guys and girls. In this lesson number 2, we will learn how to install a Microsoft Visual Studio and the extension for TypeScript, which is the language that we are learning now. A TypeScript is very important for example, Angular. If you are programming a website in Angular, you use also a TypeScript, and it can be used with all kinds of stuff. You can see in lesson number 1 more about TypeScript. Now let's download the Microsoft Visual Studio, which is the compiler for the TypeScript. We search on Google, download Visual Studio. Okay, and we go to this one. Okay, and there are 3 versions of Visual Studio. We will choose the community. It's free, and you can use it in your level for a couple of years. Okay, we go to free download. And we are now downloading the installer. For the Visual Studio. After we downloaded it, we open it. It's extracting. And here it is. Continue. Now it's downloading a bit of a chunk of the installer. You should wait a bit. Okay, now we open the on the installer. You need this one, Net Desktop Development, and also this one, ASP and Web Development. Okay, just press modify or install. Okay, now after we install the Visual Studio, we can enter the credentials, or we and after about a month it will ask us to registered, and after we will register, it will be free for us for a lifetime. Okay, so I will enter my register. As you see, you have to open a Microsoft account. It's free, of course. Here now I am the user in it. Now you have to check that you have the TypeScript extension. We will try to open up a new TypeScript project. You go to here, or to File, New Project, and to Online. And here to type TypeScript. here it is, and install this extension. This will allows you to open TypeScript application files that you will use to do your TypeScript project. So let's install it. It's downloading. I suggest you in the meantime close your application. I suggest you close it here. Here I closed it. And it will finish installed everything in a couple of seconds. Then we will restart Visual Studio again. Here we go. We go to Visual Studio. Okay, it's creating the project, the TypeScript project. Let's wait. Choose always yes to be updated to the latest compatibility of TypeScript. So I choose yes. And now, as you can see, this is the TypeScript project, all the project. Here we write the TypeScript file. You can see the extension TS for TypeScript. Okay. Let's write our first project to see that everything is going well. Okay, we are double clicking on the TypeScript, and let's write this this method. Okay, we wrote a test a method and wrote the header. Now we want to run this method. We press Control and F5 simultaneously. Control and F5, and now it's built the solution, and we'll run it on the browser. Let's see how it goes. Let's wait. This is the first time, so it takes time. Here what we wrote, header, it's on the web browser on a HTML file. Okay, so this indicates that the TypeScript solution that we wrote is working properly, and if we want to save it, we press on Save All, and you save all the solution. And if you want to close it, we press Close Solution. On the next lesson number 3, I will teach you how to write your first program on TypeScript. Stay tuned. We will do an exercise and also we will solve it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.